Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install segment sources with AWS Serverless detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service. Click on Create Function. Select Author from Scratch as the function type. Give your function a meaningful name. Choose a runtime that suits your coding language, such as Node.js or Python. Attach a suitable execution role for your Lambda function. Click Create Function to proceed. Once your function is created, scroll down to the function code section. Upload any required libraries or packages if necessary. In the inline code editor, input the code provided by Segment for the data source you are installing. Set the necessary environment variables as specified in the Segment documentation. Scroll to the configuration section and set up a trigger. Select API Gateway for the trigger type. Choose Create an API and set the security type based on your needs. Click Add to connect the API Gateway to your Lambda function. Deploy the API to make it accessible. Take note of the API endpoint URL generated by API Gateway. Navigate to your Segment workspace. Click on Settings and then Sources. Select Add Source from the options. Choose the source type that corresponds to your installation, e.g., web server. Paste the API endpoint from AWS into the configuration settings for your source. Configure any additional settings required for your specific source. Save and verify the source settings in Segment. Test the integration by sending sample data to ensure it's functioning correctly. Monitor the logs in AWS CloudWatch to troubleshoot any issues. Adjust your Lambda function and API Gateway settings as necessary based on the logs. Your Segment source installation with AWS Serverless is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.